Okay, so let's take the lesson where we left it at the previous session. Now that we know how to select information, how to query information from here with this statement select star from students. We have all these students listed here below. And let's continue with the where statement. This where clause with will allow us to specify certain conditions for the information that we want to bring here. Let's say that we want the students that are 15-year-old, and we can do this where name of the property student age equal 15. If we run this query, we will have this only on the results. And let's say that we want them to be older or equal. So this will filter, and it is not displaying the student that has 14 years old. This applies for this less than operator as well, 15 and 14 only. Okay, and let's say that I want to remove this let's try to order these results. I'm going to comment these two lines. It's how SQL takes the comments. But let's try to add an order by clause, and we are going to order by student age. Now let's run this, and if you see, it's in ascending order, arranging and sorting these students 14, 15, 16. And if we want to order the opposite way, we just need to add the keyword des, that is descending. Order by a student age field in the descending order. So now if we run this, you will see that we are starting with the 16 age, then 15, and then 14. So let's say that we want to change the name of one of the students. Let's try to work with the update statement. Update students. Then we are going to set the property that we want to update. Let's say the student name. It will be equal to, I will put a string here, I will put my name here, and then, very important, not to forget, this is a pretty common mistake in the practice when we are starting to work with SQL. When we are updating, we must never forget the where clause, this clause. So I'm going to change one, but I want to only rename the ones with a specific ID. That will be with the ID number 2. Then I'm going to go for a student ID equal to, and change the name to Jorge Rojo. Then I'm going to select from students. Let's run this query. If you see here, now that we are selecting from students, then the second student was changed to Jorge Rojo. And let's say that for testing purposes we want to remove this Michael Brown. That's the ID number 3. So let's work on this. Delete from students where student ID is equal to 3. Now we have on the results one row affected, And if we go and select all the information from a students table, now we have only 2 students. And that will be for this class.